like, we were so ingay kasi vibe talaga yung si Yana at saka Clover friends ko. Tapos, kaming lahat bay. And you know what's crazy? Yana and Rishi gonna look alike. Tapos, Yana and I kinda sound alike.
So, ito ilang team song? Cause God gave me.
Show me what's real. Para silang, kita niyo yung ano, Hershey and Yana met in ano? Mura go FW couple boy. Like,
as if they already saw each other in real life. As if they already saw each other in real life.
Yeah, that was their first time. Bro, I wanna poo.
Ako din.
Okay, so you wanna go poo with us?
No. 1, 10, 11. Ay, what?
Huh?
Mga ito. Let's see the question.
Ay, may questions ba? Okay, maganda pa po in person.
Yeah, super.
Oh, wow! Scripted lagi pagka-answer.
What?
Yeah.
Okay,
super.
hindi.
Maganda ka ba in person?
Saw the videos of your show, Ate Pat. Ate Pat, why are we not here? Ate Pat! What not ka here? Sakay mo.
Flute. No! Float!
Funny yung flute. I love it.